Well, hold on. Well, hand it to him. But be careful. Get it in his mouth. Here, let me do it so he doesn't. Here. Feed this guy down below. Look. Okay, put it down here. Okay. Well, give it to this little guy. Here, put it down below. Okay. Give it to him. Yeah. Put it in his mouth. He's got a big tongue. He's not going to hurt you. Here, look. Here. Watch this. You fold it over like that. There we go. Good job, Sid. Do we have any left?
I think we have. I'm happy. No. We don't have any left. Daddy?